Welcome back to my channel, Miss Medicine. This is the quick review of obstetrics, one-liners, or you can say LMR series. So we will start from embryology. Oogonia are derived from yolk sac, most common site of fertilization ampulla. Zygote reaches uterine cavity at 16th cell stage. Placental circulation is established on 17th day of fertilization. Vessels in umbilical cord, 2 arteries and 1 vein. Nitabox layer, zone of fibrinoid degeneration where trophoblast and decidia meet in placenta. Next is amniotic fluid. Amount at 12 weeks 50 milliliter. Amount at term 600 to 800 milliliter. It is replaced every 3 hours. Green colored amniotic fluid indicates fetal distress. Causes of oligohydramnios, renal agenesis, multicystic dysplastic kidneys. Polyhydramnios is seen in esophageal atresia and duodenal atresia. Next is HCG. HCG is secreted by syncytiotropoblast. Structurally, HCG has 2 subunits. It is a glycoprotein. Next, signs of pregnancy. Congestion of pelvis causing bluish-purplish hue of vagina cervix is Chadwick's sign. Cyanosis and softening of cervix is Goodell's sign. Compressibility of isthmus on bimanual examination is Haggard's sign. Softening of cervix with lateral implantation is Piscasac's sign. Pulsations in lateral vagina fornix is Osiander's sign. Rhythmic contractions of uterus is Palmer's sign. Next is maternal pelvis. Most common type gynecoid. Platyploid or flat pelvis is transverse diameter is more than AP diameter. Least common type of pelvis is platyploid. Deep transverse arrest, persistent occipito-posterior position is common in android pelvis. AP diameter more than transverse diameter is anthropoid pelvis. Face to pubis delivery is common in anthropoid pelvis. Shortest diameter of pelvic inlet is obstetric conjugate. Next is fetal skull. Shortest diameter of fetal skull is bimastoid 7.5 cm. Largest diameter of fetal skull is mantovertical 14 cm. Next is engaging diameter and presentation. Presentation is defined as fetal part which lie over the inlet. Presentation in submantovertical diameter is face. Presentation of submantobrachmatic diameter is face. Presentation in suboccipitobrachmatic and suboccipitofrontal diameter is vertex. Most common type of vertex presentation is left occipito-anterior. Next is Bishop scoring. It is used for labor. Total score of 13. 6 to 13 is favorable. 5 or less is unfavorable. It includes dilatation of cervix, effacement of cervix, consistency of cervix, position of cervix, station of head. Partogram is graphical representation of stages of labor. Assessment of labor. Cervicograph is graph showing relationship between cervical dilatation and labor. Next is stages of labor. Stage onset of labor to dilatation of cervix. 6 to 20 hours in primigravida, 2 to 10 hours in multigravida. Second stage from full dilatation of cervix to complete birth of baby. Third stage birth of infant to delivery of placenta. Next is lochia. Lochia rubra is reddish 1 to 4 days. Lochia serosa yellowish 5 to 9 days. Lochia alba pale white 10 to 15 days. Next is puerperium. Puerperium lasts for 6 weeks after delivery. Uterus becomes a pelvic organ after 2 weeks of delivery. Involution of uterus is complete by 6 weeks. Most common cause of puerperial infection is streptococcus. Most common route of spread of puerperial infection is direct spread. Next is ectopic pregnancy, EP. Ectopic pregnancy is associated with tubal disease, most common cause, and endometriosis. PID, progestasert, etc. Most common presentation of ectopic pregnancy is pain. Expelled products in ectopic pregnancy have origin from deciduous vida. Most common type of ectopic pregnancy which ruptures is ischemic. Medical management of ectopic pregnancy, methotrexate, actinomycin D. Surgery for unruptured tubal pregnancy, salpingostomy. Clinical presentation of ectopic pregnancy, a young girl with 8 weeks amenorrhea and presenting with shock, a young girl with 6 weeks amenorrhea with abdominal mass and empty uterus on ultrasound, a young girl with 6 weeks amenorrhea with abdominal pain and fluid in pouch of Douglas, aspiration of which reveals a dark colored fluid which doesn't clot. Next is hydatid mole. Investigation of choice to diagnose hydatid mole is ultrasound. Hydatid mole is associated with PIH, thyrotoxicosis, hyperemesis. Treatment of choice, suction evacuation. Histological feature of hydatid mole is hydropic degeneration. Molar pregnancy is usually diagnosed in first trimester. Next is complicated pregnancy. Procedures for delivery of head in breech presentation, Berne-Marshall technique, Moore-Ratio Smale-Wheat method, etc. Management of shoulder dystocia, Moore-Ratio Smale-Wheat method. Management of shoulder dystocia. Apply suprapubic pressure, Mac-Roberts procedure, legs inflection, etc. Next is HIV and pregnancy. Incidence of perinatal transmission of HIV can be reduced by LSCS, antiretroviral prophylaxis like zidovudine, avoid breastfeeding, intrapartum nevirapine, etc. Next is hypertension in pregnancy can be predicted by Gant's rolling over test. Eclampsia is defined as convulsions, hypertension, proteinuria, and edema. Most common eclampsia is antepartum. Cause of convulsion in eclampsia is cerebral anoxia. Earliest symptom of PIH is rapid gain in weight. Sudden loss of vision in PIH is due to retinal detachment. Treatment for eclampsia is magnesium sulfate. Toxicity of magnesium sulfate is monitored by urinary output, respiratory rate, knee jerk. Drug of choice in severe preeclampsia is labetalol. Drugs absolutely contraindicated in pregnancy, ACE inhibitors. Next is abruptio placenta. Painful due to preeclampsia or trauma, continuous bleeding. Fetal heart sounds usually absent. Placenta is present in upper segment. No malpresentation. Bleeding may be revealed, concealed or mixed. Uterus is tense, tender and rigid. Next is postpartum hemorrhage. Most common cause of postpartum hemorrhage, atonic uterus, grand multipara, prolonged labor, etc. Postpartum hemorrhage is said to occur if blood loss is more than 500 cc. Drugs used for postpartum hemorrhage, misoprostol, ergometrin. Next is fetal heart rate, FHR. Early deceleration in fetal heart rate shows head compression. Late deceleration in fetal heart rate is indicative of placental insufficiency, fetal distress. Variable deceleration, cord compression. Next is maternal serum alpha fetoprotein, raised in wrong gestational age, anterior abdominal wall defects, open neural defects, multiple pregnancy, renal anomalies, and IUFT. Lowered in trisomies. Next is version. External version. Conversion is done by external manipulation only, done for breech presentation and transverse lie. Internal version, done in transverse lie in case of second baby of twins. Conversion is done by one hand introduced into the uterus and the other on the abdomen. Next, forceps application. Indications: delay in the second stage of labor, low birth weight baby, post-maturity, maternal distress, appearance of fetal distress, cord prolapse, after coming head of breech, preeclampsia, post-caesarean pregnancy. Next, Conditions to be fulfilled in forceps application are membranes must have ruptured, head must be engaged, station must be more than +2, no obstruction should be present, suitable presentation and position, cervix must be fully dilated and effaced, live baby, uterus should be actively contracting and relaxing. If you are interested in more instruments of obstetrics and gynecology, I will give link in the end of the video, and I will also give link of contraindications in pregnancy. If you are interested, you can also watch that video. Next is Ventos. Indications: as an alternative to forceps operation, deep transverse arrest with adequate pelvis, delay in descent of head of the second baby of twins, delay in first stage due to uterine inertia or primary cervical dystocia. Contraindications: prematurity, head not engaged, fetal distress, pelvic contraction, transverse lie, after coming head of breech, partially dilated cervix, congenital anomalies, dead fetus. Next contraindications are cephalhematoma, subaponeurotic or subgaleal hemorrhage, chignon, and retinal hemorrhage. Next, caesarean section. Indications of classical caesarean sections are previous classical caesarean section, neglected shoulder with anhydromenose, structural abnormality making approach to lower segment difficult, constriction ring due to neglected labor, fibroids in lower segment, anterior placenta, accreta and previa, postpartum caesarean section, peripretum fetus where lower segment is poorly formed. Next and the last, quick review which include DNB and NEET PG questions. Most common site of fertilization, fallopian tube. Earliest fetal anomaly detected on ultrasound, anencephaly. Oligohydramnios is associated with renal agenesis. HCG is secreted by syncytiotropoblast. Earliest detection of pregnancy by ultrasound can be done by demonstrating gestational sac. Shortest diameter of fetal skull by mastoid. Graphical representation of stages of labor is done in partograph. Involution of uterus is completed by 6 weeks. A young girl with 6 weeks of amenorrhea with abdominal mass and empty uterus on ultrasound is having ectopic pregnancy. Investigation of choice for diagnosing hydatid mole, ultrasound. Earliest sign of immune hydrops on ultrasound, skin edema. Most common heart disease associated with pregnancy, mitral stenosis. Heart disease carrying worst prognosis in pregnancy, Epstein's anomaly. Earliest presenting feature in PIH, gain in weight. Most common cause of PPH, uterine atony. Variable deceleration in fetal heart monitoring is suggestive of cord compression. Maternal serum AFP is lowered in Down syndrome. Highest chances of transplacental transfer of toxoplasmosis is in third trimester. Stage of labor lasting from full dilatation of cervix to complete birth of baby is second stage. Chorionic villus sampling, if done before 10 weeks, result in oromandibular limb defects. Polyhydramnios is associated with esophageal atresia. Most common presentation of ectopic pregnancy, abdominal pain. Uterine inversion results due to mismanaged third stage of labor. Bishop's classification is used for induction of labor. External version is done for transverse lie. Largest fetal head diameter is mentovertical. Most common type of vertex presentation, LOA, left occipito anterior. Most common cause of pregnant lady presenting with fulminant hepatitis, HEV, hepatitis E virus. Share this video to your friends and help them in their preparation. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and follow us on Facebook and Instagram.